Hello comrades, and welcome to this other episode of Serial Review. I've addressed the problems that you said last time, fixed my hair, well, this time at least, and I fixed the frame, just for you. Alright, so let's get on with the review. Today, we've got this. Now if you know me, you know that I think that chocolate and cereal should never be together. However, I'm making an exception. A lot of people told me that this was good. I don't believe them, but it's time to put it to the test, shall we? Alright, let's crack this bad boy open. Smells good. Alright. You know how it is. A couple of dry peas down the hatch. Oh no. This tastes like raw flour with an aftertaste of cocoa. That's not good. Oh lord, okay. Well, promise a promise. Let's get to the bowl. The pieces have these random white chunks on them. It doesn't inspire me trust. Like, I feel like the milk is gonna be super sweet right after I'm done with these. Well, anyways, milk time. Alright. Bon appetit. Now, if you knew me when I was young, you knew that I had a big Cheerios phase. Like, it's what I ate every morning, non-stop, for like a year or so. And then I never touched it again. This gains point by the form factor. I mean, it looks like Cheerios, just doesn't taste like them.
No.
Alright, so my camera crashed halfway through the meal, but I've got my thoughts on the cereal. So overall, I guess it's not a bad cereal. Once the pieces are wet, and I mean not soggy, wet,
Bruh.
they're actually pretty edible. They lack a bit of flavor though, and because of the form, they're kind of sharp on the palate, so eat with caution. So not a bad cereal, but not a great one. If you want chocolate cereal, I'd suggest you get the Hershey Kisses. You might get a better run for your money. It does also make the milk really drinkable. Since the cereals are not too sweet, the milk becomes slightly sweetened, slightly vanilla tasting, I would say, and it goes down really easily. Probably one of the best tasting milk out there. So overall, I think I'd give it a solid 7. Not a bad cereal, although it could use some updates and upgrades. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this installation of cereal review. I'll see you next week, where I review a cereal you would not expect me to review. In the meantime, subscribe, stay tuned on my Twitter, where I shitpost really often, and as usual, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm starting an OnlyFans.